Hello people, in today's video I'm gonna walk you through one of my favorite features inside VidIQ, and that's the thumbnail maker. So if you're someone who always struggle to come up with ideas about thumbnails and you want to be done quick as possible, well, this feature is for you because you're gonna get thumbnails in a few minutes even without needing advanced design skills. So without wasting more time, let's check it out. Once you're at the VidIQ page, you have to log in and then go to create. From here, we've got all these 4 features, but I will be covering only the thumbnails one. So I'm gonna click on the thumbnails maker. And as you can see, I have few examples here that I've been practicing on. And to be honest, those 3 looks really good. And what I just typed was AI displacing millions of workers. And there we go. The thumbnail maker came up with these ideas. If you go further down, we've got those one. They look not too bad, but the image in them doesn't look okay. If you go further down, you can see we've got this panel here where you can describe your thumbnail idea. In this case, we've got 4 categories here. We've got video, faces and objects, reference and likeness. For example, if you click on video, you can upload one of your videos, or you can paste a YouTube video link from one of your favorite videos, or from a video that you like the thumbnail and you want to kind of duplicate it or recreate it, but in your own way. Then if you go to faces and objects, you can upload your face or the object you would like to be on the thumbnail. It's pretty simple. And then we've got a reference here. We've got 3 categories. We've got for you, your videos, that's from your channel. And we've got trending, that's the most trending videos right now. And it shows the thumbnails on them. So let's go with for you. In this case, because my channel is related to Premiere Pro tutorials, we've got only Premiere Pro videos over here, and that's thumbnails of other creators. Let's say that I want to create that kind of thumbnail, yeah? So I'm gonna click on it and continue. I'll type down create similar thumbnail but without the person. So let's see what this will create. Okay, so I'll click on create. This might take a few seconds, or in the worst case scenario, few minutes, which is not too long. And there we are. It came up with 3 options. To be honest, the first one doesn't look too bad. So if you want to edit it, you can click on this little edit icon or just click on it. And this will open this page where you can edit it entirely. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got refine, erase, text, image, sticker, edit, and face swap. So let's say I don't want this fella on this thumbnail. So what I'll do, I will click on erase. And then from here, we can control the size. I will make the brush a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna hover over this guy like that. And also, I think I'm gonna leave this part over here. All right. So I'm gonna click on erase and let's see what this will do. Okay, it removed the person. It doesn't look good. So again, I'm gonna click on erase and just hover over the places I don't want to be onto the thumbnail and click on erase again. All right, it looks better. So what we can do in this case, I would like to upload one of my images. So I'm gonna click on image, and from here, I'm gonna select this one. It's better to be PNG without any background. So now I've got my image here. So I'll place it right there, increase the size a bit, just like that. And then you can use one of these options. You can flip it horizontally or vertically. And then you've got the option to remove the background if you've got a background. And then this one, you can move it forward or backwards. So, and also you can control the opacity, as you can see, or duplicate it. Now, so far, so good. Let's say that I want a arrow. So if you click on the stickers here, as you can see, you've got a lot of nice looking stickers. And I like this one. I'll click on this one. Then what I'll do, I'm just gonna turn it that way and place it over here, just like that. And let's say that I want a different text. So I'm gonna click on text, and this text will pop up over here. And also from here, we can edit it, and we can click on style and choose a different style. And by the way, look at these styles. They look so good. So I'm gonna go with the neon one, and I'll type down Premiere Pro, and then I'll place it just over here. And now let's say that I don't want this text over here anymore. So again, I'll press on edit, and this time I'm gonna hover over this text, and I'll click on edit again, and then I'll type down remove the text, boom, and then enter. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it removed the text I didn't want on this thumbnail. So Then I'll grab this and just place it above for beginners. And boom, it looks perfect. And as you can see, just like that, in a few minutes, I have created this thumbnail. But if you want to spend more time and make it even better, you can do that. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can create thumbnails in a minute with VidIQ's thumbnail maker. As you can see, it's simple and easy and will save you definitely a lot of time. And if you want to check it out, I'll put my affiliate link in the description down below. And just to clarify it, if you click on it, you're not gonna pay double. They're not gonna take any money from you, and it's not a scam. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.